First of all, I will request C.A. Abdul Hakim Saab to please welcome our chief guest, Advocate Taiwar Pathan Saab. I will briefly introduce Taiwar Pathan Saab is Advocate of Supreme Court and he is also the member of Jamiatul Ulama Hind. Thank you, sir. Now I'll request Mr. Safan Khan, sir, to please welcome Dr. Azharuddin, sir. Dr. Azharuddin, sir, is HOD of Commerce in Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. Now I will request C. Abdul Hakim sir to welcome our third guest, Masood Sheikh Saab, who is a social activist and a renowned personality in Aurangabad. We are overwhelmed by the presence of C.A. Ejaz Akhtar Saab, who is associated with Ummul Khara Foundation, Anam and Association. I request Safar Khan sir to please welcome C.A. Ejaz Akhtar Sahab. He came a long way from Pune to attend this program. Now I request Dr. Sheikh Abdul Hakim Saab to please welcome Advocate Faiz Sayyed Saab. Faiz Saab is the founder of Islamic Research Center, Aurangabad. We are pleased that many guest of honors are present among us. Now I'll request C. Abdul Hakim Saab, Dr. Safar Khan Saab and Dr. Sheikh Abdul Hakim Saab to please welcome these guests. We have among us Dr. Dilshad Zaidi Saab, who is the president of Shia Vikas Manch. I request C. Abdul Hakim Saab to please welcome Dr. Dilshad Zaidi. Now I request C. Abdul Hakim Saab to welcome architect Sajjad Lodi Saab, who is a renowned architect and the designer of Roots and Wings Academy. Sir is designing our upcoming building of Roots and Wings Academy. I request Dr. Sheikh Abdul Hakim Saab to please welcome Farooq Mahmud Khan Saab, who is the founder and owner of Hayat Waterways. I request C. Abdul Hakim Saab to please welcome Khalid Al-Attas Saab. I request Dr. Sheikh Abdul Hakim Saab to please welcome Nayab Ansari Saab. Nayab Ansari Saab is the editor-in-chief of Hindustan Urdu Daily. We have among us the editor-in-chief of Asia Express, Shariq Naqshbandi Saab. I request C. Abdul Hakim Saab to please welcome Shariq Naqshbandi Saab. Now I request Dr. Sheikh Abdul Hakim Saab to please welcome Shoaib Siddiqui Saab. Shoaib sir is the founder of Kabish Foundation, which works for the foundation courses of UPSC. I request to welcome Shakil Patel Sahab, who is son of Shabbir Patel Sahab. Now I request Dr. Farah Siddiqui Madam to please take the program forward. Thank you.